Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add extra authentication field in default WordPress login page using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our default WordPress login page and we are going to validate login access with extra field. Now go to dashboard. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Inside header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all these code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to add extra field in default WordPress login page. Now you see label nickname and then you see input type and then you see ID, my extra field name. So you can add text according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see add filter, authenticate, and then you see my value, get posted, my extra field name. Now scroll up, you see ID and name we add. So we are using name attribute here, both same. And then scroll down, you see login, and then you see stored value, get user meta, user ID, nickname. So this is our meta key value. Now go to edit user. Now close and then you see nickname, right click on it and then click on inspect. So we added nickname staging and then you see name value, nickname. So this value we are using in custom code. Now you see nickname, staging, now you see nickname and then you see if condition. So match user input value and store value and then you see, so you can add error message according to your requirement. So when all three information verified, then login successful. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to login page and refresh the page. Now you see nickname, new field we added using custom code and we are using meta key in custom code. So we are going to add information. So we added username and password. So first add another nickname and then click on login. Now you see error message, your unique identifier was invalid. So you can customize error message according to your requirement in custom code. Again add information. So we added nickname, staging. So if all three information match, then login successful. Username, password, staging, nickname. So click on login. Now you see login successful and then you see member page. Now you see all information. So just add custom code. Now back to WordPress dashboard. So we are in custom code. So this is our error message. This is our meta key for nickname. This is our custom code to add extra field. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.